melancholy, but we're here. We're digging in to everything. I'm at the riverside, just reflecting. I was journaling in this beautiful book my friend gave to me recently, and thinking about this, being in nature, being still, not really responding to stimulus or information. It's soul medicine. It's so needed, and I've been so much in work, go, productivity, art mode, which I love making art, but without this, it's meaningless, and I have nothing to feel and report into that art. Like, I'm looking all around and seeing the design of nature, the moss, the sounds, the way that the water moves, and this is information. This is really useful to me, and without it, I don't think I could be the full artist that I am. And so, yeah, I'm just taking stock. I feel like I need much more balance with these types of days in my week, and I want to try to commit to doing that. So hopefully I'll hold myself accountable by speaking it out, externalizing it. But yeah, I'm so at peace right now. I'm so happy, and I'm gonna keep trekking on.
Sometimes I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Then my fingers always lose control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Searching for gold, I would be running out of time to see all your beauty and beyond. So instead I'll sing this song. Time and time again I'll go back to my reality.
It feels like summer. It's so close. this month has been flying by. I'm super busy. You can also probably hear a bit of construction in the back, but we're gonna carry on. Yeah, I've been super busy with a lot of really awesome things I feel especially grateful for. And yeah, today I went to dance class, which I'm still kind of like figuring out what classes I want to be taking now that I'm not in an institution where, you know, like I kind of had required courses and it just made the most sense to take those courses that the university offered, versus now I get to choose when and where I go and how often. And that has meant for me a kind of hiatus since I graduated, which I think I needed that to kind of like cleanse my palette and sort of absorb everything that I've embodied and shed the things that I don't want to embody anymore. But I do love the offerings that are being presented to me. Like, there is a little bit of something out of everything, but I think I need to start changing my mindset towards things, because I'm not as much of like a choreography girl. I don't love preset structured movement, and a lot of the classes in the advanced professional world are wanting to work at that brain muscle and give you information. So much like details, clarity, defined work, and I think that's really useful. And I know a lot of people in especially commercial spaces, but also, yeah, like different practices really benefit from that sense of choreography. But I just want to move, and I feel like I'm almost like strangled or like tied up a little bit when I'm thinking about the dancing. And maybe that's a memory thing, maybe I have to work on it. If you're a dancer, I want to know your feelings about this. But yeah, I've been feeling a little bit like disgruntled with choreography and leaning into improv, and I love improv, and I wonder if that's just who I'm meant to be as a dance artist. I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, but more excitingly, I have a little haul for you. There was a Value Village near the studio, and I got a few things, so let's do a little haul, shall we? Maybe, I don't really want to try these things on, but I have this little baby tee. I thought it was really cute and different. I don't really have a ton of like cropped, really fitted clothing, and yeah, it was $3. So heck yeah. I also got this really, like, Gap is back. Gap is happening. I got this really basic navy tank. It's like kind of similar cut to this one, but it's more of like a cottony rib texture, and I think I'll wear it a lot with skirts in the summer and to dance class, because I'm hoping to go to dance class more. And a basic black tee, $2. Come on, cotton, okay. And the last thing I got was this really nice sweater. It's from Roots. It was $10, but it's like, it's really kind of thin material, and I had a sweater really similar to this, and I lost it in Amsterdam because the airport was crazy and I was running to catch my flight, and I've really thought about that sweater a lot since I had it, and this was pretty similar. So a nice transition to spring vibe. Yeah,